Well, good afternoon everybody. Welcome back to another upload of It's a Dyer Thing. Rob here, and if you are viewing this video, it's because I finally, after such a long time, over and over again, have been trying to get a goddamn working audio setup for my channel, for these YouTube videos, especially when I'm riding the bike. Now, let me kind of get into a little bit more detail, so just kind of you understand, because any of you guys who have been following along with my videos, you'll know that I've been kind of doing a lot of videos of two screens or two cameras with audio and all that for quite some time. But a lot of times is you're getting an okay sound from myself as we're talking, but the problem is if I want to get some of that sweet sound of the motorcycle engine while we're riding, I'm kind of using the secondary camera and its internal mic. But when I'm talking, that creates a echoey sound, right? It doesn't sound good. But the problem is you know, as we're riding, I do want, you know, to have you guys feel and experience the sound. You know, that kind of gives the whole part of motorcycle vlogging, right? I mean, you don't want to just like see me riding and have it dead quiet. And I'm not talking about wind noise, but I'm talking about just dead quiet, and it kind of just, I don't know, it's just, it kind of gives that fake look, right? So I'm connected here via Bluetooth from my headset to this camera here that I'm pointing at, which is I call it my motorcycle cam. That one is connected, like I said, via Bluetooth through the GP10, so audio is fine, because then when I pick up other people as well who are all on the same frequency, we all get to chat. The thing is now I've been trying to run multiple different mics and different setups from my helmet cam, which is what I call, to get the sound. But apparently GoPro doesn't allow that to happen, so you have to have the GoPro mic adapter. Well, that here in Canada is an additional like $80, right? Just to get a sound. It's just like, come on, it's kind of ridiculous, right? Whereas I finally figured out and finally played around that the GoPro Hero 4, which is what I have here now on my helmet, also works with a mini USB connected straight to a mic without having to use the adapter. So I've done that, and now we're going to see, hopefully, like I said, if you're viewing this video, everything works. Heading over to John. Just gotta go pick him up. We're gonna go for a little quick ride, hopefully before the rain comes. It is forecasting some rain today, and it's supposed to get really rainy, really hard for the next 4 or 5 days. And so we're gonna go over and ride up to Montana's, a little barbecue restaurant around here, to go and pick up some barbecue sauce. It's all about the sauce. It's cool. Look at this, Amazon Canada. This is an Amazon Scarborough location. Over 1 million square foot of floor space, single story distribution center here for the Canadian, or for the Ontario northern area. There's one in Ottawa, there's one in Brampton, I think, or Mississauga, Oakville, something. And now this is the one here for Scarborough and Markham region. So, but anyways, we'll see. So let me get over to John, and then we'll continue on chatting from there. We'll get him connected up onto the headset as well, so we can all talk and chat and see what's going on, what's new with him.